Welcome to the Explore Real Estate Show. I am James Boslaw, your Fredericksburg area realtor and vacation rental investor. And this show is all about real estate in the Fredericksburg area, the Fawn Lake community, and the vacation rental space. I help people buy and sell homes because I believe that everyone should grow their wealth as they live in or own a home that they love. I also believe that everyone should feel confident when buying or selling a home, and confidence comes when you are well educated and informed. And that's what this show is all about. Enjoy the show. Hey everyone, welcome to the Explore Real Estate Show, where in today's episode, we're going to talk about the golden handcuffs and why inventory in our real estate market is so low. Maybe you've heard of this phrase before, golden handcuffs, in regards to real estate, and maybe you have wondered, what does that mean? Well, I want to explain to you what it means because we're seeing this played out and it's having a massive impact on the market. Golden handcuffs is in reference to many people who have purchased homes over the last several years. When they purchased their homes, the rates were lower. As of 2 years ago, the rates were about 3%. As of a year ago, the rates were below 4%. And when they purchased those homes, not only did they purchase them at lower interest rates, but they also, the homes were selling for less money several years ago and the years prior. So when you have lower interest rates, plus a lower sales amount, that will equal a lower mortgage payment. And because of inflation, we have seen the interest rates go up dramatically over the last year at record pace. We've seen interest rates spike up, and we've also seen that the values of homes have continued to go up, defying many odds. Real estate prices are going up, interest rates are going up, and what that means is that now when you purchase a home, your mortgage payment, due to higher interest rates, due to higher sales value, is going to have a higher mortgage payment. Just a few stats there for reference with this. If you purchase a home for $310,000 at a 3% interest rate, then your mortgage payment would be $1,493. So we'll just say about $1,500 if you purchase a $310,000 house at a 3% interest rate. And that was common. Several years ago, there were homes selling for that sales price and with those interest rates. But now if you buy that same house for $310,000 at a 6.5% interest rate, you're looking at over $2,000 for your mortgage payment. The difference is about $500 in just a matter of a year or two. Not to mention that same house that was purchased several years ago for $310,000 is now worth even more today. So the higher prices, the higher interest rates are affecting people because now they're realizing that when they purchase a home, the mortgage payment is actually higher than it was several years ago. So several folks who have purchased their home for lower sales prices at lower interest rates, they now have golden handcuffs. They do not want to leave their home because they bought it at a good price at record low interest rates, and they love their low mortgage payments. And that is why a lot of the sellers out there, a lot of homeowners, I should say, are not selling their home, because in these times of high inflation, when everything costs more, when your mortgage payment is fixed at a low price, why would you want to move from that situation? And this is contributing, the golden handcuffs, and sellers who are locked in at record low interest rates and lower sales prices. This is why they have golden handcuffs and why they are sticking with their current homes. And it's one of the main reasons why our inventory is so low in the housing market. Now, I made an argument in the previous episode that if you are a buyer, now is still a good time to purchase a house, because if you look down the road, what's happening is there are a lot of buyers who are just waiting for the interest rates to dip down before they jump into the market. And when they do so, we're expecting another wave of appreciation of home sale prices going up yet again at pretty high levels. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a home, I wouldn't let these high interest rates stop you. You can always find the home that you like today and refinance it once the interest rates go down. But obviously, the golden handcuffs is keeping a lot of homeowners in their homes. They're not selling because they like those lower mortgage payments that came from lower sales prices, lower interest rates. And that is what the golden handcuffs is all about. And it's having a massive impact on our real estate market. Now, what I will say is, because inventory is so low, even though the interest rates have gone up, the sales prices have hung in there. Actually, they've increased. The home sale prices are still going up, even though we've experienced record level rates as far as how quickly they are going up. The sales prices have not been impacted. They're actually higher today than they were a year ago today. And that's because the inventory is so low. So maybe the golden handcuffs is a little bit of a blessing in disguise, but it's definitely impacting our real estate market. And that is something that everybody should be aware of. So if you have benefited from a lower sales price and lower interest rates, and you have those lower mortgage payments, I'm happy for you. That is absolutely fantastic. If you're a buyer though, looking for a first home, or maybe you're an existing homeowner and you're looking for a home that is meeting more of your needs because your life has changed. Maybe your family's gotten bigger. Maybe your family's gotten smaller. You have fewer people in the house now. Do not let these higher interest rates scare you from purchasing a home. You can always marry that house and date the rate. Find the house that makes sense for you and buy it. And then the rate, though it might be higher today, you can always refinance it at a lower rate and enjoy those lower mortgage payments when you do so. So I hope that you now understand what the golden handcuffs are in regards to real estate, why it's impacting the low inventory levels that we are seeing right now in our market. If you have any more questions about this or any local stats regarding if you're looking to buy or sell, you can always find me at my website at explorewithjb.com. And once again, I want to invite you, if you are watching this on YouTube, to follow the show. That way you can be kept up with all of my most recent episodes. If you're listening to this on Apple's podcast, then please make sure to subscribe to that as well. That way you can always be kept up with the most recent episodes. But with that being said, I hope you are having a great day, an excellent week, and I look forward to seeing you soon for our next episode. Make it a great one.